Exercise 107. Ready? Start. Paying, spying, stating, chewing, stitching, hiring, robbing, dying, edging, breaking, laughing, soothing, sighing, showing, knowing, laying, failing, rowing, muffling, offering, pouncing, entrancing, chancing, scoffing, learning, shining, pacing, penning, paving, joining, plotting, abiding, promoting, folding, smartering, painting, scatting, believing, cheering, nearing, adoring, adoringly, sparing, sparingly, sweepings, searchings, scoffings, failings, paintings, possibility, brutality, suitability, scoffings, scoffings, failings, paintings, possibility, brutality, suitability, legibility, minority, legility, mythological, etymological, achievement, pavement, refinement, consignment, monumental, regimental, experimental, absolutely, politely, nicely, urgently, attractively, possibly, horsemanship, stewardship, editorship, heedfulness, heedlessness, lawfulness, lawlessness, forward, wayward, dockyard, backyard, thereafter. Exercise 108. Shaping, tying, teaching, fearing, waving, wedding, lodging, shaking, flossing, loving, scathing, sewing, rushing, slaying, roaring, dispensive, enhancing, craving, surrounding, ballooning, opposing, menacing, puffing, disjoining, canning, concerning, pleading, obtruding, permitting, scaffolding, fleeting, smoothing, smoothing, dissecting, smelting, sauntering, speaking, castings, solubility, singularity, fatality, novelties, etymological, accompaniment, effacement, sentimentally, vainly, frankly, exhaustively, chairmanship, clerkship, playfulness, credulousness, indifference, hereby, thereabout, whereunto, stop. Exercise 109. Ready? Start. Herewith, we have pleasure in forwarding to you several mining market cuttings from this morning's papers, and we hope to add thereto within a day or two. The old mines have been strongly supported in consequence of the announcement of the success of recent crushing operations, and as the labor cost are likely to be reduced shortly, there is no reason why the experiments should not be carried further. Mineralogical conditions has been amply justified. We shall send you a supplemental report later and will keep you constantly advised of any changes in the situation. Exercise 110. Ready? Start. I am sorry to interfere with the arrangements for the announcement of the concert season, but at the same time, I am compelled to say that I think the form proposed is not likely to have the effect of introducing new members to the society. I fear the psychological effect of the wording of the circular, which is more like a command or instruction than an invitation. I think it will provoke a feeling of resentment in the minds of those whom you are addressing, and at the same time convey a false impression. I am conscious of no selfishness in communicating with you on the matter, because it is quite immaterial to the whether the membership is large or small, but as the instructor and conductor of the choir, I must, in self defense, warn the committee against a possible misconstruction of their circular. I think you will be able to induce them to change it. I have been wanting to see you for some time, and if you will call sometime during the coming week, I shall be glad of a little conversation with you. Stop.